Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and as yesterday's video has no sound, that's why I am recording this video again. Like it will be the same video. So let's just get started. Okay. So for our React projects, we usually have a go-to icon library like React Icons. Okay, it have literally everything, like every open source icon built into it. Okay, but still there aren't some icons, like they have a lot of things like feather icons, hero icons, bootstrap icons, and design icons, font awesome, everything is there. But still I use some of the different icon, or I especially like some of the different icon libraries that I have recently found out. One of them is old, obviously I have shown it to you before, but in different context. But one of them is totally new to me, and I am quite liking it because it's look more finesse, and it have some of the icons, like some of the unique icons that literally others doesn't have. So that's why I am making this video for this. Okay, so let's discover what are the icon libraries that we have today. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have a first icon library, that is tabular icons. Yeah, tabular icons. And as you can see, 1550 pixel perfect icons, and those are really good. So recently I discovered about Mantin. I was saying that, right? And I showed it to you as well in a video about Mantin. So in Mantin, they have actually used tabular icons, and I was wondering ki what icons library they have used. I assume they have used hero icons, but no, they are not hero icons. They are tabular icons, and this is a little different from that icon library. Obviously, this is a whole lot of difference in the style, obviously. But the thing is, it has also great collection of icons as well. And as you can see, we have a lot of icons, and really unique icons, and really accessible icons, like the things that you need the most that will be available over here, and some of the totally unique ones as well. Because what I was while I was going through it, I saw something like this: American football. No one gives this icon, right? It's totally unconventional kind of a icon. Like you can get it from Flaticon, but not in other icon libraries, right? So it's really unique to see it over here. Now, obviously, it has its own Figma file. You can get the Figma file as well. Okay, and you can download the whole version of it as well. But the best feature of it is, like, if you wanna click on something, you get the downloadable SVG, downloadable PNG, and copy the SVG as well. But when you click on the see more option, like see more variants, you get the copy web font copying, what wait font copying snippet. Yeah, the iframe, and not iframe. This is I means I tag. Yeah, I tag in HTML. So basically, they will allow you to use their icon library as Fontosum icon library. Like Fontosum used to do what? They give you a link, script link, or no, I'll normal link, right? A style sheet link to embed in your code, and then you can use it from like the fonts that they give you, like in the waveform format. Same likewise, they are giving it as well. Like you can do that here as well. You can import it that wavefont as well. And rather than that, obviously we are having React, and this is kind of a like different. We are having CSS as well. So I really like it. Then we have data URI, then JSX code. If you wanna embed the whole SVG path into JSX, you can have that as well. And here is a normal SVG as well. But I use React most of the time, so I it will be easier for me to like import this. But Yeah, they are providing the waveforms as well. Like if you are not using React or any kind of proper like uh, JS development system, where you can't add a npm package, you can always add a waveform, right? Using css and all. So it's really great. It is really great to have all of this. Okay, so that's about it about this tabular icon. And as I have already said, you can obviously get the Figma file from here, and it's open source. It has this GitHub link, and you can contribute to them as well. It would be great to be honest. Now, rather than that, we have Radix icon from Radix UI. Okay. You know about Radix UI. I don't know if you know about Radix UI. I have made a video for them as well previously. Now, here you can see it in the line like crisp set of 15 by 15 icons designed by Mosel team. Yeah, Mosel team. Like, I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry. But whatever. And it is also available as Figma file, sketch file, icon jar. Yeah, you can download it in icon jar. Then you have svg format, and install it via npm and use it in your react solid.js, whatever project you wanna like. Okay, but the most important thing about this icon library is it's not conventional, to be honest. Like uh, the simple difference I will show it to you. The what is the difference over here? As you can see in this icon library, we have like strokes, strokes which width is a little more. Okay, little thicker strokes over here, but here the strokes are fine, and the icons are so small, little like 15 by 15, as you can see, but still they are crisp looking. Okay, so design, the way it is designed is great. And as you know, Radix icon, like Radix library, is always follow like always keep in mind the accessibility and the standard uh, accessibility, or like that uh, UX prospect to them. Okay, so that's how they have also designed those icon libraries, like created this icon library, keeping more of a UX thing in mind. Okay, now you may say those are too small to even see, but yeah, you can always increase its size and use it in your project, not a problem. But the most important thing is that they are really great, and this is as you can see all of those icons. This is more about building a SaaS product. Like this is completely a set of icons for a what you see what you get editor. Yeah, WACGI something editor. Okay, for that icon library, we have middle aligned, left aligned, right aligned, bold text and all. Okay, right? So that are the things, okay, that you are getting over here. And here is how you gonna use it and all. And here you can simply click on it to click copy the component id, and this is only available for npm package, as an npm package. So you can use it in your own js based system. For that only you can use it. But if you want to download the svg and use it as svg icon, you can do that as well. They don't have any problem regarding that. But yeah, this is also great icon library. But have I used it personally? No, to be honest, no. Okay. Will I use it? I don't know. Maybe in some projects which require this kind of icon, I will use it, obviously. But in terms of this tabular icon, we gonna use it surely in our bohon. Okay, in our SAS bohon, we're gonna use it for sure, because it looks great. It have a lot of icons, to be honest. And it really goes with a lot of neutral things. Like it's such a neutralized icon library. It can go with a lot of things, as you can see it in the buttons as well. And another feature of this site I forgot to tell you, that is they have a preview section of how it will look like in different sizes and different thicknesses. Okay, and even how it will look with a text, how it will look in animated mode, how it will look with subtext, like not subtext, in title and paragraph, how it will look in button, how it will look in forms, and how it will look as side in the side of counter as well. So yeah, here are a lot of examples for the icon demo as well. So I really like this feature about this particular icon library, or the uh, this whole, yeah, this is icon library actually, yeah, that's it, whole site as well. So yeah, really like it, gonna use it for sure. That's basically it from my side. That's basically it from this video. Use whichever icon library you want, maybe from React Icons as well. I don't know why third tab isn't opening. Maybe use it from React Icons as well, no problem at all. Whatever, you know where to get the React icon, so I am not showing it to you, whatever. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, and if you know some of the great icon libraries like this, please let me know about all of them as well, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.